Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to solve Instagram post music problem. To solve the issue of music not working on Instagram post, you can try the following steps. First, go to the Google Play Store and check if there's an update available for Instagram. Outdated versions can have bugs that prevent music features from working properly. Another method, check Instagram Music availability. Instagram Music may not be available in all regions or on all accounts. Check if the feature is available in your country or for your specific account. Type personal, creator, or business. Another method, clear cache and data. Go to the settings, apps, Instagram, storage, clear cache. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can also try clear data. Take note, this will log you out of Instagram and you'll have to sign in again. Another method, check permissions. Ensure Instagram has all necessary permissions, especially for storage and media. Go back, then go to permissions and enable necessary permissions. Another method, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Play Store. This can help reset any settings or issues within the app. Another method, switch account type. If you're using a business account, try switching to a personal, creator account, or professional and other device. Some business accounts may not have access to music features due to licensing restrictions. Go to your profile page, then tap on the three lines, then scroll down, then tap on account type and tools, and if you are on the personal mode, just stick to it, and if you don't, just tap on switch to personal if you are already on professional mode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.